how to pay utilities with UnitedHealthCare Ucard. So if you want to do that, first you want to make sure that it's enabled for utility payments. You will follow these steps that I'll show you. Now, note that Ucards are often loaded with funds for eligible expenses like healthcare and, in some cases, approved utility payments depending on your plan. Not all Ucards can be used for utilities, so it's important to check the specifics for your plan first. So here's how we do it. You want to confirm the utility payment eligibility. Check your Ucard benefits to see if it covers utility payments. You can do this by logging into your UnitedHealthCare member portal or reviewing the information on the app. You can also call customer service on the back of your Ucard to verify if utility payments are allowed under your plan. Then you will gather utility bill information. Have your utility bill or bills ready, including account number and payment details. You can pay via utility provider's website or phone. You want to go to the website or call their customer service number. Then you will choose the payment method, typically credit card or debit card, and enter your UnitedHealthCare Ucard information, such as card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can also pay via UnitedHealthCare's Ucard app or website. In some cases, you may be able to pay directly through the UnitedHealthCare portal or app if they offer a bill pay service for utilities. You want to look for a pay bills or similar option. Then you will select the utility company from the list of available providers or manually add the company if required. Automatic payments, if available. Some plans allow you to set up recurring utility payments with your Ucard. You want to check with your utility provider if they accept recurring payments from your Ucard. And the last step is just confirming the payment. After submitting the payment, you should receive a confirmation number or email with your utility provider. Keep this for your records. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.